Hey y'all, and welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we're here with another resistance band loop workout, and today we are going to be doing 3 minutes of side leg raises. So if you are ready, go ahead and grab your resistance band loop and let's begin. Okay, so let's go ahead and take our resistance band loop and we are going to put it in between our shins and our calf here. You can place it wherever you want to. I'm going to have it kind of lower by my ankles right now. Okay, and we are just going to begin by having our right leg coming out to the side for 1.5 minutes here, and then we will switch and we will do our left leg. So we are just lifting it up to the side and back down. And if you don't have resistance band loops, that is totally okay. You can do this workout without any equipment. We just do the same exact moves. So these 3-minute workouts are super great if you don't have a lot of time to work out. Our life is so busy, sometimes we only have a little short period of time, but we can still be productive and get an effective workout in that little amount of time. So you can have your leg coming up and then resting it back down in between the reps here, or you can just leave it up the entire time and go back and forth. It is completely up to you. This workout is totally customizable for you and your fitness journey. So keep lifting up here. And make sure you don't lock out your left knee here, the one that is on the ground. This is the leg that is stabilizing you. Don't lock it out. You don't want to fall over or pass out. People do that when they lock their knees out for a long period of time, and I don't want that to happen to any of y'all when we're working out here together. So this is a great move to tone those quads, those legs, getting a good, nice outer thigh toning. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now let's directly switch over onto that left leg here. So I can already feel the burn here. This resistance band loop adds more resistance, so it's a little tougher than if you were to do this without any equipment here. I love all of these Pilates inspired moves. Pilates is one of my favorite type of workouts to do. It's super fun. Let me know in the comments below if y'all like Pilates as well. We will be doing some more Pilates inspired workout series in the future, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And if y'all like resistance bands but you don't have the loops, you just have the long bands, we have a bunch of workouts like those on my channel, so you should check out the playlist for those. Also, if you just have the loops, you could kind of tie just the band, you could tie them into kind of a loop and do this workout as well. Y'all are doing great. Just keep lifting here, lift and lift. And also this is a little bit of a glute workout as well, so lifting and firming up that booty as well without having to do any squats here too. This is great if you have bad knees. So keep going up and up and up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. A big thank you to all of my subscribers, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye. Have a great day.